Yeah, so we have been doing phase one plumbing here in Sissa on one of our clients' property, and I'm going to take you through everything how we have done it. So we have done the pipe work for pure water and the pipe work for drainage. So what I'm going to take you through is exactly what we have done and what is supposed to be done on a residential building. So, but in case of any plumbing works, check us out on our YouTube channel, our Hydro Systems UG, and get to see all the available works available for you that you can see, and then that can give a reference. Then you could give us the work. So here, this is going to be our toilet. This is going to be our toilet, and then this is our supply to the toilet. And we're going to have a shower there. Then our shower area is going to be here. So that is why we have a shower mixer here. But this is a control valve that is going to be controlling all the water that is going to be coming into this master bathroom. So from there, it will supply to the toilet, to the shower, to the shower area. Then here we are going to have our hand wash basin, both hot and cold water. Then here we are having our bathtub around here. And this is the supply to the jacuzzi. This is the supply to the jacuzzi. And this is the waste that is going to take away the water from the jacuzzi. Then from there, our water heater is going to be mounted up here. So this is the control that will be controlling water that goes to the water heater, and this is the supply of the hot water system into this area. So we have hot water at the shower area, hot water at the wash and basin, hot water at the jacuzzi. So this is the master bathroom. Now here I'm taking you to another bathroom. Now this is also another area. So here we are having our hand wash basin. So from there, this is our shower area. We have also provided the control valve that is going to be regulating water inside here. And our toilet is going to be here. Then our water heater is going to be mounted up there. So why provide a control valve to every bathroom is in case of any maintenance in a certain area, in a certain bathroom, you don't have to close all the water main such that you could come and rectify the problem. Because we want every bathroom is independent. So we are providing 2 floor traps because we don't want the water, someone showering, for water to be splashing everywhere. So this one is going to be draining all the water from the shower area, but then this one, all the water that will be mopped around the bathroom here, because it's going to be a cubicle here, or a cabin, a shower cabin. The same way we've done there is the same here as well. So here we are having our toilet and our shower area. Then our hand wash basin, then our water heater will be mounted there. So it is the same story. 2 floor trap that is going to be draining water from the shower area into this one here. Then this one is going to be any water that is going to be collected or mopped around the bathroom, and then it goes out. We have also provided a control valve. So okay, so this is another bathroom that is just below, and it is very small, but everything is going to be inside. So this is our toilet here, and we have also provided a control valve that is going to be controlling all the water in this bathroom. So from there, it applies to the toilet, comes to the shower area, because here we're going to have a shower mixer. Then there we are going to have our water heater mounted up there. But then also here we're going to be having our hand wash basin. Both hot and cold water have been supplied there, and the drainage is going to be draining into this floor trap here, which is going to be collecting water from the shower area then outside. So behind this wall we're having a general toilet. Let's just take you and then get to see. So here, as someone comes in, we're going to have a wash and basin here. It's going to be small because someone has to clean their hands after going to the loo. So our toilet is going to be here, supply to the toilet, and we have provided a shutoff just in case someone does not want to use a TP and wants to use water cleaning themselves. So we have provided a shutoff there. This is a floor trap that is going to be collecting all water from here into the other side. So proceeding here, we are having our kitchen. This is our kitchen. So we're going to have a water heater mounted here. So this is a supply, electrical supply to the water heater. So we have also provided a control, which is going to be controlling water that comes here. This is a supply to the water heater. This is a supply of cold water to the sink, and then this is a supply of hot water to the sink. This is the one that picks water from the water heater. So outside here, so we're gonna have a duct constructed here. So this water is going to be all inside. Up, it's going to vent. It's going to continue up to vent this pipe here. So we're going to have a duct here, so this pipe won't be seen. And this is going to be the supply. We have used the 1¼ pipe, 1¼ inch pipe, PPR pipe, to supply water in the kitchen and then in the upper bathroom. The same applies here. This is the second duct. So we're going to have a second duct here going up, whereby these pipes, all these pipes are going to be inside the duct, so you won't see them. So the 2-inch is the one that collects water from the shower area, from the, those are the floor traps feeding into this main pipe that is collecting shower water from the toilet. And then we have another duct to this side. So this, we're going to have another duct here. These pipes are going to be inside the duct. Here is a supply of cold water into this lower bathroom and the general toilet, and then the upper bathroom up there. Then this 4-inch is the one that is going to be bringing waste from the toilet, and then the vent will continue up when the work is done there. So we can't risk it because there are no scaffolds around. So